finito. Puff la la now, I'm Chino. Her nana is my people. She bring her friend, we trio. She love her some Latino. Back on this journey. Never there first, stacking my earnings, always up early. All black diamonds, I am not sterling. What is occurring? Wavy, I got you. We surfing, they watch, observing. We.
Yes. Yep. Hey. Gotta do it. I don't have none on me. Stay. I'm live right now. Detained. What's the charges? 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 Wow. Violating their amendment rights. Look at that. No crime here. Officer, officer, can I have your badge and number, please? Badge and number, please. Officer.
That's our card number.
Name and badge, please.
Wilson, 1860.
Can I get your badge number? Can I get... $10 feet. I know the laws. 10 feet. I'm back. I'm 10 feet. I'm 10 feet back.
Congratulations.
All right. Can I get your name and badge number?
You have nothing to do with this.
No? Is that what you tell the judge? Is that what you tell the judge? As a duty, he's supposed to identify himself and he doesn't. Wow. Wow, this is how it is in Philadelphia. This is how it is in Philadelphia. Yeah, you got no rights in Philly, man. Just standing out here, man. Shoot. This is how it is in Philadelphia, man. You can't walk down the street. You just can't stand on the corner. You can't stand in front of the store. You can't purchase nothing. This is what they do to you. What's this all about? See, they got them in custody. They never told them what it was for. They just detained them. Unlawful. I'm in the store buying something with my dog, and I come out and they hem them up like that for no reason. You can tell they ain't charged with nothing because they don't have handcuffs on them. If you don't tell them that you're live, they abuse you, man. They beat you up, take your phone off you. You know what I mean? You gotta tell them you're live.
Right.
And always keep a safe distance. You know what I mean? At least 10 feet. Because they say that you're interfering with them. That's what they say. For their safety, we got no guns on them. They're a bunch of thugs with all these guns. Look. They all got cameras on, but when you pull out a camera, they get mad. You stay safe distance, man. You stay safe distance. And you know, they can't say you bothering them. But you can see, as you can see, they're just standing out here in front of the store, and they threw them in the car for no reason. No reason at all. Philadelphia for you. I keep a safe distance so that way they don't bother me, because that's how they are out here in Philadelphia. This is exactly how they are. You know what I mean? See, I got my dog with me. You know what I mean? Went to get some milk. Went to get some milk, check my mailbox. And these young kids out here just hanging out, going to the store, coming out. You know what I mean? I asked them several times, what's the crime? They, you know what I mean? The one guy don't want to identify himself. I think that cruiser is cruiser 1232, 1232, Pennsylvania tag 952 6K. So that's how it is, man. Stay back, keep your distance. That's it. I'm doing a live broadcast. It's my First Amendment right. Yup. That's the law. Make sure you put a leash on a 2-pound Chihuahua. Yup, I know the law. You see, when you pull out a camera, that's how they act. They try to get you any way possible as they can. If they catch you walking that's not the crosswalk, just to mess with you, man. They ask you for your ID, but you see how they get when you pull out a camera? This is how it is, man. And then they get so offended and they get mad. So, well, that's it here. So, well, this is Mike. I'm out. Like and subscribe. Drones are Eagles. Peace.
Swerve, hit the swerve on them. Swerve. Yeah, turning millions into billions. First rapper worth $1 trillion. If you know a thing about me, then I doubt that you can doubt me. If they never knew me, I just hit the swerve and keep it moving. 3 a.m. I left the club and got myself